Alright, in this video I'm going to talk about integration by parts. And integration by parts is you take an integral and you call it u dv for each piece, and then you use kind of a relabeling method or approach, and hopefully the uv minus integral v du, and hopefully this new integral will be easier to solve. So let's do an example here. So suppose that we have x e to the power x minus x dx. So I'm gonna pick two pieces, and I'm gonna call one of them u and the other one is dv. And this doesn't always work, but I usually pick u, the term where it is easier to differentiate, to take the derivative of. So in this case we've got x, so I'm going to call x u, and I'm going to call e to the power minus x dv. And now what I'm going to do is take the derivative of u du, which is simply just 1 dx. Derivative of x is just 1. And now here what I'm going to do is, because it's dv, we want v, so we need to integrate that. So just right aside here, I'll take the integral of e to the power dx. So v would be integral of that. I think the integral of that would be minus e to the power minus x, right? So yeah, that's it. Now what we're going to do is going to apply in our u du v dv to our formula, this formula. So what we're going to do here is just rewrite it again. So that would be x minus minus the power dx equals 2. Now our u is x and our v is minus e to the power minus x. We're going to put the minus next to the x to make it easier, and then minus. Now what we're going to do is going to plug in v du, which is minus e to the power minus x times 1 dx, right? So the minus is going to pull that minus out, so this would become positive, and I'm going to put e to the power minus x dx. Now what we're going to do is we're done with this part, so I'm just going to integrate this part. So again, you know the integration, we just did it here. The integration of e to the power minus x is just it's just going to be minus e to the power minus x, and then plus c. So yeah, that's it. That's our integral. If you want to write it down, let's try a new paper here, just to tidy this up. So e to the power minus x. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to put the minus out here. So it's going to be minus e to the power minus x plus c. And that's our integral, a final version of our integral. You can do a further step, which is simplification. Actually, we can take e to the power minus x. You can take e to the power, sorry, there's a minus here. We can take e to the power minus x as a factor, so we can factorize it, so it isn't minus here. So yeah, we can take e to the power minus x, and we're left out with minus x minus 1 plus c. So either way is fine, but that's our integral. So yeah, that's just a basic example of how to integrate using integration by parts. So yeah, I'll see you in the next videos. I'm going to solve more problems and become clearer to you.